Hello, I'm Peter Pan. We will talk about Harry Potter's autobiography. According to J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter was born on 31 July 1980 to his parents James and Lily Potter. For the first year about Sorcerer's Stone, Harry Potter, an 11-year-old orphan, discovers that he is a wizard and is invited to study at Hogwarts. How did his parents die? They were murdered by the most powerful dark wizard, Lord Voldemort, which is subsequently called you-know-who, and he who must not be named. Later, he went to Dursley's house and met with Uncle Vernon and Aunt Petunia. They used to live at number 4 Privet Drive. The next day, when Harry Potter and Rubeus Hagrid went to Gringotts Wizard Bank and collected a scruffy package from Vault 713, mentioning that he would be safer at Hogwarts. Then, Harry Potter buys a wand from the Ollivander Wand shop. A few hours later, Harry Potter caught the Hogwarts Express train at platform 9 3/4. He would have left the Muggle world far behind. He met with his friend Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger. You know Weasley, as a surname, uses various names: Ron, Fred, George, and Ginny Weasley. They live at the Gryffindor house, that came from the name Godric Gryffindor at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. We use a sorting hat where these names are called by Professor McGonagall. At the end of day, Harry was fainted after the attack of Voldemort, where Professor Quirrell has transformed into it. He had a stone to unleash his powers. Then he awarded the Gryffindor house 60 points. So, this is an autobiography from Harry Potter. Like, comment, and subscribe now.